Hi guys! Today we are going to do a 1000 pieces lovely cut jigsaw puzzle. Here is the box of the puzzle. In the box, it contains a picture guide. So this is what my puzzle will look like. It also contains a bag full of puzzle pieces. As you can see, there are letter marks at the back of the puzzle pieces, which is supposed to help you. And there are also some puzzle pieces that are stuck together. But you can just easily pull them apart, just like this. Okay, maybe not too easy, but you can just pull them apart. Anyway, that is the puzzle pieces, and now let's do it! Okay, so now the first thing I have to do is sort out the puzzle pieces according to the letter marks at their back. I make a pile for the puzzle pieces with letter A, letter marks on their back, and for letter B and letter C, and so on. I also make another pile for the edges. This may take longer, so for the meantime, enjoy this poem I wrote called Waves. Waves. If I wasn't me, I think I am the sea. The waves are each and every part of me, chasing each other like I am not one as a whole. Little by little I vanish as I reach to the shore. When the sea is calm, it means I am at peace and contented. But when the storm goes up, I can't be drawn nor can be painted. So when you think life is too much, you can always walk into my sand. Tell me your frustrations and grunts, and I'll listen and hold your hands. You can cry, shout and scream, all your heartaches and broken dreams. You can whisper your secrets and silent wishes, and no one will ever know, not even the fishes. So bear with my saltiness, the itch I seldom give. That means I wanna be with you, even if you're about to leave. Finally guys, we are done sorting out the puzzle pieces, which by the way feels like forever. This is my least favorite part of doing the puzzle, because you know me, I'm not a very patient person, and anything that is as boring as this and would take me 1 hour to do, I would probably hate it. So anyway, kapoy English bala na ni. So anyway, kung kita mo daghan og puzzle pieces, daghan og piles, it is because I make 3 piles for each letter. 3 piles, 1 pile for the puzzle pieces in the middle. Pareha ani. So wala siya, special indications kung asa siya na siya sa middle part. And then another pile, second pile, para sa mga in between nga puzzle pieces na yung mga nasa line marks, sabutan na kay in between siya sa letters. And then third pile para sa edges. Of course, magkama kag edges kay ana man ka mag-start, so you need to identify where they are so you can start fast. So yeah, what are the mga piles, and let's do it. Okay, di ko kibaw ng pinaingana, so inganin na lang. Bye. Whatever. So now guys, finally we're going to start the puzzle. So I'm starting with letter G. So the first thing I'm gonna do is the edges. Finally, we are done with the first part, guys. So this is just 1 out of 8. So yeah, let's do the rest of the puzzles. As you can see, guys, we have now finished all 8 parts of the puzzle. So yeah, here it is. Check it out. And now we are going to put them all together to see the complete puzzle. So yeah, let's do it. So guys, now we're going to combine everything. So it should look like this. This is our guide. Finally guys, as you can see, we are finished with our puzzle. So mo ni siya guys ang complete and finished puzzle. Yeah, here's the design, check it out. I really like the design. I love books, I love cuts, so the design is perfect for me. It takes me 4 hours to do this design because I'm not very good at puzzles yet. If I have to rate this, I would rate it with 4 out of 10. 4 tungod kay nipis kayo ang puzzle pieces. Unang maglisod ko fit, dali ra siya matangtang. Munang nadugay sad ko kay dali ra siya matangtang, di siya mo fit kayo. But I really like the printing, it was very glossy, and of course the design. So yeah guys, that's it. We're all set. Bye. Hit like and subscribe.